How to fix Google Chrome slow downloading. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to fix the Google Chrome download speed. So if you're also wondering and want to speed up your Google Chrome, you can follow up the steps and you should be able to do that. For that, you can go ahead and open up with Google Chrome, and on this search bar, you're going to type in Chrome : / and flags. After that, hit enter, and this will open up on the screen. So under the search bar, you're going to go ahead and type in parallel, and you'll be finding this parallel downloading. So what you're going to do is, you can find this default option. You're going to go ahead and enable this option right here. That will help your speed in your download. Otherwise, the next thing we can apply up is, you can just go ahead and close up your Chrome and hit Windows + R and type in on this section ncpa.cpl. After that, click on OK, and this will open up your network connections. So go to Wi-Fi. Since we are connecting to Wi-Fi, my device is connected to Wi-Fi. If it is on Ethernet, you can go ahead and select Ethernet and right click on it and go to properties. After that, go to Internet Protocol version 4 and select it and go to properties. So under this Internet Protocol version, go ahead and select this use the following DNS server, and on the first preferred server, you're going to go ahead and type in 1.1.1. like 41. After that, on the alternative DNS server, under that, you're just gonna, let me just go to properties again, and under this section, you're gonna go ahead and type in 1.0.0.1, and after that, click on OK, and that should probably do it. And after that, then you can just go ahead and close this. Let me just close it, cancel it out. And the next thing after that, you can go ahead and look up for your Chrome again, and the next thing we're going to go is go ahead and manage up extensions. So for that, go ahead and click on 3 dot and go to manage extensions, and under manage extensions, if there is any kind of extensions that are not usable or that are just sitting there without being used, you can just go ahead and remove that and clear up your extensions, like clear up the unnecessary extensions. And after that, the last thing we can go is to go and search CMD in a search bar and run it as administrator and open up a command prompt, and under this section you're going to type in this prompt. This is ipconfig space / after that type in flush DNS. ipconfig space / flush DNS, and after that is done, hit enter, and you should be finding this, and you should be finding this. After that, go ahead and see if your Chrome browser has been sped up or not, and once that is done, you can just go ahead and restart your device, and that is it. So that is how you do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.